everybody. We are on our way to the Olympic Peninsula. We're going to visit the Hoh Rainforest, and right now we are jumping on the Edmonds-Kingston ferry, the kids' first ferry ride. What do you guys think?
Awesome.
Scared. We have been discussing how to respond if you see a cougar or mountain lion on the track, and trying to instill a little bit of fear so that our kids will obey and be safe, right? Yeah.
And Valerie is scaring herself in the process.
I am actually a little bit scared to go camp in a mountainous area that has these critters. Critters? Predators. Anyway, here we are. Here's the ferry. There's the ferry guy telling us which way to go.
Thanks, ferry guy.
Thanks, ferry guy. Wow.
Think we'll see any whales? Mommy.
What'd you think of the ferry?
Awesome.
What'd you think?
Somewhere in between.
Somewhere in between awesome and between. Now we're about to disembark onto the Olympic Peninsula. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Who are you?
Your mommy, you goon. Where are we this morning?
We're in the tent. We're in the tent.
Where are we camping?
We're camping on a leaf. No, we're not. No.
Do you remember the name of this place?
We're camping on a guide wire.
Oh, I guess.
We're in the Hoh Rainforest. How's that?
All right. What do you think, Callie?
First trail steps down to the Hoh River through younger stages of the forest. A variety of habitats tempered by the shifting course of the glacial stream.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Guys, get over here, Macy. You're being dangerous. We're all enjoying this hike on the spruce trail in the Hoh Rainforest. Let's ask Callie. What does she think? What do you think of the hike, Callie?
So excited.
Snack time?
Yes.
How's the walk so far?
Bear.
No.
Let's get a picture over here. And I'm gonna take a question.
Hey, turn this way, bud.
Take another walk with the park ranger. Tell us about all. You want to make? You look happy. Yay.
Keep going.
What do you Oh, my chocolate on here?
No.
That's
How do you
not-
do it? Okay, so you put a graham cracker down and put a chocolate on top. Put your chocolate on top.
I'm trying to. I'm doing it piece by piece. Fancy schmancy. I'm gonna do it piece by piece too, but what's that for? I'm just
You're going to want to put it in the middle because the marshmallow is going to melt it and make it ooze out the side. Can you help opening it? You got it? Let's not dump those out, Callie.
You can get over the fire a little more than that.
like this.
Yep, and a little lower too. A little lower.
Nope, not little lower.
Okay.
Fire's gonna come up. Side to do. And then I'll go to the other side. You can make mine. I'm getting heat. I bet this would be good.
No, you actually want to eat away from the table.
Can I see?
Doesn't make sense, but you're doing good, Macy.
Mmm, yummy. What are you eating? Are you stealing everybody's chocolate? Chocolate thief.
Here, Macy. What happened?
Daddy, I'm doing all of that.
Oh boy.
Daddy, come and see. Look at my marshmallows. Look how they're roasting. They're roasting differently than yours.
Interesting.
I'm pretty. You see? I still don't want.
Sticking my butt up in the air.
What are you doing?
Tearing down the tent.
Like this? No.
Another camping trip come and gone. And doing what a man should do.
We should stare down the tent.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Alright. What are you guys doing this morning?
We are crafting.
Crafting.
Last day.
Callie, are you crafting?
Yay.
Scissors. Macy, you crafting?
Yes.
Yes. How'd you guys feel about the camping trip?
Really cool. Really cool.
What was the best part?
The best spot is right now. Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Yes.
It's funny he should say sleeping is the best part because I did not sleep
Who's not sleeping?
the entire time. Callie was up all night long. All night.
I'm the king.
You want to go in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go. Is it cold? Is it cold? Cold? So pretty. pretty though. Huh.